Today, we are excited to bring you some gadgets. We cover topics about Amazon products and gadgets on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Vidsta. Vidsta is a cutting-edge platform transforming data visualization and analytics. It empowers users to explore insights through interactive, customizable dashboards and intuitive visual tools. Seamlessly integrating with diverse data sources, Vidsta enhances decision-making with real-time analytics, AI-driven predictions, and user-friendly interfaces. Designed for accessibility, it caters to both beginners and experts, unlocking the power of data for all. Colorado GCS. Colo GCS is a comprehensive cloud-based solution for global communication and collaboration. Designed for businesses of all sizes, it integrates secure file sharing, real-time messaging, and video conferencing into a unified platform. With scalable infrastructure and robust data protection, Colo GCS ensures seamless connectivity, enhanced productivity, and reliable support for teams operating across diverse locations. Fisto. Fisto Kucha is a modern, ergonomic seating solution designed for comfort and style. Combining sleek aesthetics with advanced support features, it's perfect for home or office environments. Crafted with premium materials, Fisto Kucha offers customizable options, including adjustable recline and cushioning. Ideal for relaxation or productivity, it enhances any space with its blend of functionality and elegance. NightEase. NightEase is an innovative sleep solution designed to improve rest and relaxation. Featuring advanced comfort technology, it combines supportive materials with cooling and pressure relief features. Perfect for any sleep style, NightEase promotes deeper, uninterrupted sleep and overall well-being. With its sleek design and durable construction, it's the ideal choice for transforming your nighttime routine. Gympad Bench. The Gympad Bench is a versatile fitness bench designed to elevate your workout experience. Engineered for durability and stability, it supports a wide range of exercises from strength training to core workouts. Featuring adjustable angles, ergonomic padding, and a compact design, the Gympad Bench is perfect for home gyms or professional setups, helping you achieve fitness goals with comfort and ease. Pixel Darts. Pixel Darts is a throwing game that taps into a fundamental human impulse, throwing. This instinctive action is inherently fun and accessible, making it suitable for players of all ages and backgrounds. We aim to create an experience that invites everyone to join in on the excitement, encouraging laughter and friendly competition. Scoutlight Blinko. Scoutlight Blinko is a compact, high-performance outdoor headlamp designed for adventure and safety. Featuring ultra-bright LEDs, adjustable beam settings, and a long-lasting rechargeable battery, it ensures reliable lighting in any environment. Lightweight and water-resistant, Blinko is perfect for hiking, camping, or emergency use. With its hands-free design and durable construction, it's the ultimate companion for outdoor enthusiasts. Morwi Hand Warmer. The Morwi Hand Warmer is a sleek, portable device designed to keep your hands cozy in cold weather. Featuring rapid heating technology, adjustable temperature settings, and a rechargeable battery, it offers hours of warmth on the go. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily in your pocket or bag, making it an essential accessory for outdoor adventures or daily use. Videosphere VS1. The Videosphere VS1 is a cutting-edge video surveillance system designed for superior security and clarity. Featuring high-definition imaging, advanced motion detection, and wide-angle coverage, it ensures comprehensive monitoring in any environment. With robust analytics, real-time streaming, and cloud integration, the Videosphere VS1 delivers reliability, scalability, and ease of access for both commercial and industrial applications. Tmicex. Tmicex is a high-performance, compact electronic device designed for speed, efficiency, and durability. Whether in gaming, professional, or industrial use, It offers cutting-edge technology, seamless integration, and robust processing power. With sleek design, customizable features, and superior reliability, Tmicex ensures optimal performance and adaptability for a wide range of demanding applications and users. NanoBag Daypack. The NanoBag Daypack is a compact, durable, and eco-friendly backpack designed for daily convenience. Made from high-quality, water-resistant materials, it offers lightweight functionality without compromising strength. With ample storage space, ergonomic design, and a sleek, minimalist look, the NanoBag Daypack provides practicality and style, making it the perfect companion for commuting, travel, or outdoor adventures. Garmin InReach Messenger Plus. The Garmin InReach Messenger Plus is a rugged, reliable communication device built for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. It features two-way messaging, GPS navigation, and real-time location tracking, ensuring safety in remote areas. With global satellite coverage, emergency response capabilities, and long battery life, it provides peace of mind and connectivity wherever your adventures take you. Shift Moonwalkers. Shift Moonwalkers is an innovative footwear concept combining style, comfort, and functionality. Designed for urban explorers and trendsetters, these shoes offer advanced shock absorption, durability, and flexibility. With a sleek, modern design and superior grip, Shift Moonwalkers provide a unique blend of aesthetics and practicality, ensuring you move with confidence and comfort in every step. AceBeam E70SS. The AceBeam E70SS is a powerful, high-performance flashlight designed for durability and extreme reliability. Crafted with stainless steel construction, it offers superior toughness, resistance to wear, and corrosion. Featuring high lumens output, long battery life, and advanced heat dissipation, the E70SS provides optimal brightness and performance, making it a trusted tool for professionals and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Misumi Camera. The Misumi Camera is a high-performance, versatile imaging solution designed for industrial and professional use. It features cutting-edge optics, superior image clarity, and advanced sensor technology. Built for durability and reliability, it offers real-time capturing, robust data integration, and customizable functionality, making it ideal for applications in manufacturing, research, and high-precision environments. Thank you for watching this gadget-filled adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on the latest tech trends.